Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see what are table functions in Power BI. So basically table functions in Power BI are those functions that return a table instead of a single value. So there are multiple table functions in Power BI. The function we are going to study today is filters. So this is our data set and I'm going to load this data into Power BI. So this data is regarding some customers and some store locations. So we have different store locations, their settings, customer age, genders, last purchase when they made and the amount of purchase they made in each category and the total amount of purchase. So let's load this data. So I'll select blank report. Then I go to get data and click Excel workbook. Then I select my stored data. Now I select the sheet where the sheet that has my table. So I select the sheet and then click load. So my data is loading right now. Okay, so the data has loaded. Let's go into the table view. So in the table view, we can see that this is our data that is loaded and the table is mentioned over here. Now I want to create a new table which has data only for one location, that is Los Angeles. So I'll say new table. Okay, and I'll say Los Angeles table. This is the table name I'm giving. Now what I'm doing is I have to use filter over here. So what filter takes into consideration two parameters. First parameter is the table name and the second parameter is the condition. So what I'll say is I want Los Angeles table equal to filter. So filter. Now as you see in filter, it asks me for the table. So my table name is table itself. So I'll just say table, comma. Now, within my table, there is a column for store location and I want to filter it by Los Angeles. So I'll say, comma, table, store location is equal to Los Angeles. Okay, I think I need to write double quotes. Now I can close my the brackets and I can just hit enter. Yeah. So now you see this created a table for me, that is Los Angeles table, which has data only for one store location, that is Los Angeles. That is the only data we have. So this is how we use the filter function to return a table. So the filter function is a table function that is returning a table and not a single value. We can also do nesting of filter function. So we can write one filter function inside another filter function. Now let's go to the original table and let's say now I want a table which returns data for store location Los Angeles and female customers only. So I don't want any male customers. So let's see the data here. We have males over here. So I just want data that is only for female customers and the store location is Los Angeles. So now I'll go to my table view and I'll say new table. Now I'll name my table as Los Angeles females data. Okay, filter. Now within this filter, I want to write one more filter. So I'll say filter. Okay. Now what I'll do is I'll select the table and then I'll give my condition that the table gender column should only have female. Okay, one condition is complete. Now the second condition. The second condition says their location should be Los Angeles. So I'll say location equal to Los Angeles. Okay, it seems correct. Let's hit enter. Okay, now this is my second table which has data only for Los Angeles location and only for one gender, that is female. We don't have males over here. Now don't worry that we can only do one type of comparison that is equal to, that is not true. We can do different comparisons also, like less than, greater than, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to. So maybe if I wanted to see customers who were above 50 years of age, then I would have written table customer age which is greater than 50. So you can use different comparison operators also over here. I hope you like this video. This was introduction to table functions. In the next video, I will come up with other table functions also. Let me know in the comment section if you need any clarification on any part of today's video.